Hello there and welcome back. So this video is not going to be about any kind of Python module or scripting technique that you may learn after watching this video. This is going to be a so-called 100 subscriber special, and well, the basic idea came from a very good friend of mine called Barnabás Veres. I hope he's watching this video. So basically, this video is going to be about my journey so far, what I have achieved, and what I'm planning to do with this YouTube channel. So technically, I have started, let's say, learning Python almost 5 years ago. And at that time, I was working at a company called IT Services Hungary. And after a while at that company, need was, let's say, communicated by my team leader to be able to create a tool which is, let's say, allowing the administrators for the specific team I was working for to have an application which tells them informations about the devices of the data center that we were working on. So basically, we were network administrators for the company called Shell, and this company had data centers all around the world, and we needed an application which allowed us to tell which server was connected to which switch, in which room, in which floor, and so on. So basically it was an inventory. And this application was developed in Python, and the front end was created by some Bootstrap, CSS, and some nice looking application. And the backend was Python and MySQL. So just to give you a general idea, if you logged into this application, you had your user-specific homepage, and you could, let's say, query which server was connected to which switch ports and so on. And because of the nature of this application, we were able to build scripts that queried against the database, which held all the information. And it was kind of a huge success, because it accelerated the day-to-day work. And yeah, as time brought by, I had to change the workplace, and I started working for the company called National Instruments. And at that company, I was a web systems engineer, and I had a really good time working there because I was able to further increase my Python knowledge. And at that company, I decided, because my workstation was a MacBook Pro, that I would like to get into this YouTube stuff. So I started creating very basic videos with QuickTime Player and some basic, very basic screen recording software. And after a while, as I gathered more knowledge, I thought to myself that maybe I could make this into something. So I started creating tutorials based on the challenges I have faced on a day-to-day basis. And these videos became more and more regular or frequent, and this is how we got here. So basically, every video you see on my YouTube channel is representing a generalized version of a problems solution that I have found to my, let's say, daily challenges, if I speak it correctly. So these scripts that you can see on my GitHub repository or on my YouTube channel are basically solutions to the problems I face on my day-to-day life. And Well, basically this was the, let's say, idea behind creating a YouTube channel. So I wanted to create a dedicated YouTube channel which is about solving problems from the perspective of a DevOps engineer. And I have been working as a DevOps engineer for, let's say, 2 years now. And I really like this branch of IT because for me, being a DevOps engineer is not just some administrator who is able to use the tools that are given to solve a specific problem, but being a DevOps engineer is someone who can create the tools for the solution of a specific problem. And Python allows me to do that. And so far, and from now on in the future, if you follow this YouTube channel, you will find scripts that are related to this, let's say, section of engineering or IT, which is about creating solutions, elegant solutions for specific problems. I'm not saying that the solutions I provide to you are the best solutions or the fastest or the most efficient solutions, but DevOps engineering is not about the best or the fastest. It's about a solution for a given problem. And I would like to thank all the subscribers I have and all the students I have on the Udemy platforms and the Skillshare platforms. And in the future, if you follow this channel, you will find more quality content, as I am planning to upgrade my, let's say, workstation, so with a better microphone, better camera, maybe more sophisticated demonstrations and so on. But basically, this is all I wanted to show you, or all I wanted to tell you in this video. So, for now on, that's all. Thank you for watching.